Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Gina sir and Sadashivara sir for giving this opportunity. And I'm I would like to give you a small seminar on the topic robotic surgery. First of all, what is robotic surgery? It's nothing but it is a surgery conducted on the patient by the use of the with the help of the doctor. It is called robotic surgery. Means it is the surgery used by the robots. Robotic surgeries or robot assisted surgeries. It is used to perform complex procedures which is more flexible, and it can control the conventional techniques. Uh, it is more flexible than the traditional method, so that whole world is moving and considering the robotic surgery. And the first most used robotic surgery is the Da Vinci system is the most used robotic system over the world, and it consists of three components. They are the surgeon's console, and the patient cart, and the vision cart. And all these components work together uh, for a surgeon to perform a surgery to the patient. It consists of a camera which is used to see the organs uh, of a patient. Uh, the surgeon uses the patient via terminal uh, through a control panel, and it consists of a camera which is inserted into the body to view the organs where the operation is used to perform. We have already seen that robots have changed the manufacturing of cars, and it is implemented in many ways, uh, and it's speeding up so many ways. In the coming decades, we may also see that robots have artificial intelligence and may perform a lot of uh, operations, uh, and it is used also in reality. In according to research, it has the success rate of 92 to 94% of success rate by robotic surgery. And history. When the robotic surgery was actually started in 1985, a robot, the Puma 560, was used to place a needle uh, for a brain biopsy using CT guidance. And in year 1988, the P Robo developed an Imperial College in London. And in the year 1992, RoboDoc from Integrated Surgical System was introduced. The first unmanned robotic surgery took place in May 2006 in Italy. And why is robotic surgery performed? Actually, why is robotic surgery? We should prefer robotic surgery is very complex procedure. In some ways, we cannot solve, we cannot do operations, and it is impossible to do in some traditional way. So that we use the robotic surgery in such cases. Robotic surgery, it is very complex, and it is highly precision, and it is flexible. Robotic surgery enables surgeons to through examine the area that is being operated. It is highly precise, and it can locate accurate to the position of the wound, or where the exact location to operation is done. Uh, this gives a clear view to the surgeon, which is beneficial for the precision conduct to operation, which is even not clear to the naked eye. It is possible through the robotic surgery. And where the robotic surgery is used, and the some of the applications are heart surgery, urologic surgery, and endometriosis, gynecological surgery, thoracic surgery, general surgery, and some of the head and neck surgery, colorectal surgery. And here there are two images. This is the image where heart surgery is conducted through robotic assisted, and this is the robotic surgery where it is on urology. And is robotic surgery is safe? So many people they have a question that is there a robotic surgery safe or not? uh, Robotic surgery, it means the robots are doing the operation, but it the robot will not make the decision. It will take the decision with the help of uh, the robot will do the operation by the decision given by the surgeon. It depends on the surgeon who is performing it. People confuse that robotic surgery system by assuming that it is robot that does not actually decision making. This is what people think, that robotic robots take the decision and it perform the operation, but it is not the case. It is the surgeon who do the surgery, and it gives the training to the robot, and it give the uh, information or something proper training to control and surgery. In India, there are currently 66 centers and 71 robotic installations as of to the July 2019, and there are more than 500 trained robotic surgeons in our country, and more than 12,800 surgeries have been performed with robotic assistant in these 12 years. And there are it also have a high success rate also. Advantages. What are the advantages of robotic surgeries? Please. It is one of them is telesurgery, the use of computer console to perform operations from a distance. It is nothing but it helps to perform the operation from a distance and less pain. The patient would experience a less pain, and it is low bleeding, which means a faster recovery also. There is a faster recovery for the patient when conducted by the robotic surgery. And enhanced precision. It's nothing but there is a more precision compared to the traditional method of surgery, which help the robots will help to remove errors than higher accuracy than the traditional method, and decrease the fatigue. In traditional method, what's the doctors will mm, have more fatigue to do an operation. By robotic surgery, it decreases the somewhat uh, decrease the fatigue. And disadvantages. There are also some disadvantages. That is, first question is safety. Suppose if any error is occurred in the robot, it may harm the human, or it uh, may include the human safety. Uh, and next is time. In some of the surgeries like heart surgery, it take more than twice amount of time that is actually taken by the normal surgery done by the humans. And the cost, it is highly costly to use this robotic technology in the earlier stage, and it is very expensive to do this robotic surgeries. And conclusion, uh, bringing surgery into the digital age, and it is advanced surgical technology and true benefit over conventional therapy. And we hope that there is also we hope the most of the people will uh, are hoping that it may reduce in the cost to afford the people who have less income uh, to afford this robotic surgery. And this is, and thank you, sir.